While most kids are playing games on their phones, some kids in China are learning how those phones actually work, not just using technology, but understanding it. From an early age, students are introduced to problem solving. Instead of only memorizing lessons, they are encouraged to think, to build, to explore. In some classrooms, children learn basic coding concepts. They use simple programs to control lights, move small robots, and create tiny systems. At first, it looks like play, but slowly, it becomes something much bigger. They begin to understand how machines respond to commands, how logic works, how systems connect. As they grow older, the learning becomes more advanced. They are introduced to robotics, electronics, and real-world problem solving. Some students even work on small projects that simulate real-life technology. And then comes the next level, artificial intelligence. They don't just hear about AI, they experiment with it. They learn how AI can recognize patterns, analyze behavior, and make decisions. While many students around the world are still learning basic digital skills, some of these students are already thinking like future engineers. This doesn't mean every school is the same, but one thing is clear. There is a growing focus on technology, a system that is slowly preparing the next generation for a very different future. Because in the future, technology will not just be used, it will be controlled by those who understand it. And that's why many believe China is moving fast in science and AI development. So the real question is, what are we teaching our children today? And will it be enough for the future?